Itabidi nichukue kulipa pole pole. Unichangie. Sisi nataka.
Bana si lazima awe na cash nyingine.
Sasa ungechukua. Lakini hata
sio kwao.
Ile kitu Sandy alinunia ni MacBook.
China unajua vitu ziko cheap.
Iko cheap.
Lakini sasa shida ni sasa hivi kuja na simu hiyo kwa airport. Airport utapita na simu.
Lakini
simu yako unapeana.
The process of how it's done. Then these are steel runners. This is what we use in our country. We usually have some ball bearings to recess these wardrobes. And then they're usually detachable.
Nako Westlands.
If it's
Nako
in
Westlands.
case you want to repair. Usually we
tutafuata tu hiyo gari ya delivery.
Solid wood. But these bedsides were specifically for our rattan on wood beds. I'm sure you're able to see that on the previous video. So after that, this is how we have it tested. One of the major challenges is you really have to know how to recess this. Doing the markings and making sure it is clean shut. As you can see what the carpenter is trying to do there. So he marks on where you would want to recess the wardrobe, the drawer, sorry. And we always make sure that it should have an even balance. So there he sets the screws to the steel roller. So that's now the wardrobe. It has already been recessed. And now it's balanced. So it's time to fix the handle. As you can see what it's doing. But we made sure we had to mark on the center. You can see the beds. Those beds were for these side drawers. So now we have the handle. This is how we fix the handles. I kindly urge you guys, please like and share our content. We are really trying to grow our channel. We really appreciate the engagement because right now we are at 10,400 subscribers. So now this is ready for the next finish. As you can see, it's clean shut. Thank you so much.